Create great portraits using a reflector. Fill in shadows by placing your reflector opposite your light source, slightly angled up to bounce the light under the eyes and nose of your subject. If it's too harsh, you're going to want to back up. You can also create great catch lights using a reflector. The larger or the closer your reflector to your subject, the larger the catch light will be in your subject's eyes. Some reflectors also can be used as diffusers. This is a little bit of extra money, but totally worth it. You would put the diffuser in between the harsh light and your subject, and it'll soften the light that hits their face. This actually works great under trees where the light is mottled to make the light more uniform. Now, who holds the reflector? An assistant who knows light is the best. However, you can use a stand if it's not windy, or if you're really brave, kick it out in front of you and brace it with your elbows.